have our jogging class. So, last jogging. My Phoebes Del Monte, pineapple juice since in college. Okay. High school, gumagamit din ako, umiinom din ako nito, pero napakadalang lang. Kasi, it's good for the heart and so, ito ang ating pineapple juice for partner sa ating jogging. See you later, class. Friends. Masarap na. Mainit. Mainit. Mainit na. Sweet corn. We are here again. Okay, we will start our jogging. So, but first we had, we must warm us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1. Muna tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hindi na masyadong lahat. Pa-stretch lang ating body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hala, uulanin tayo. Okay na, hindi magmadali. Let's go. Okay. So, I'm happy today, guys, because we lost 4 kilos already. Okay, from 55 last month of December. Today is 51. Meow! Hi, Ming! Halika! Meow! Ay, hindi ko siya kaibigan. Siya lumapit sa akin. Okay. Let's go. Archery. Okay. 3. Pass. Okay. Tingnan mo na. Guys, we will have our going to lunch for today. Okay, so I would like to share with you guys my friends plus okay, my hairstyle for today. Ayan. So, nung nung I was 9 years old, okay, unang inipit nito sa akin nung ako nag-flower girl sa aking chewin. So, yung suot ko nun is para siyang parang look like a mermaid. Tapos yung yung itsura ko, yung makeup ko is napakaganda para ako talagang little queen. So, kahit nag-transformation, kahit ako mismo sa harapan ng salamin, hindi ako makapaniwala, nag-iba yung mukha ko, nawala yung originality ng aking face, facial expression, tapos bigla syempre decoration transformation from makeup. So sobrang na-amaze din ako sa itsura ko that time. So ang ginawa ko, hindi ako naligo for 24 hours after ng makeup. So paglabas ng room after ng makeup, lahat ng tao, lahat ng mga nakakita sa akin, pinupuri talaga ako mula sa hagdan hanggang sa paglakad na doon sa simbahan. So lahat ng nakakita sa akin, pinupuri talaga ako, napakagandang bata, ganun. So hanggang hindi talaga ako natulog, hindi ako naghilamos pagkatulog kasi hanggang kinumagahan pa yung wearing ng makeup ko. Pero yung buhok ko ganun pa din. Tsaka yung ito siya, yung nakita ko kasi parang snowboard yun na tinunaw sa tubig tapos ginaganon-ganon. Kaya ang ganda ng transformation talaga. And then after elementary, pag merong lagi kasi akong kinukuha ang princess, representative ng classroom, which is pag mag-parade na, lagi akong naka-attire na princess attire, princess dress, tapos lagi din akong muse. Pag nasa nasa galaan, parada, pag nasa parada. So, yung elementary ako, ganun talaga yung role ko lagi sa parada. Lagi akong nakadress ng princess dress. And ang ipit ko is laging ganito. Yung kasi na-request ko talaga kay mama na laging ganito yung ipit ko. Napakadalaw lang, inipitan ako ni mama na parang kulot-kulot. Kinulutan niya ako ng uh, pangkulot sa ginagamit sa balanghoy na tangkay ng balanghoy, tapos mayroon lang pang spray para magkulot-kulot yung buhok after maghapon. So ginagawa ni mama ng tanghali hanggang sa maghapon. So pag magparada na alas 4, ayan, kulot-kulot yung buhok ko. So napakadalang nun. Laging ganito yung wearing ng buhok ko, laging nakapusot. So nung college naman, so I used to this kinds of hairstyle when I was in college. So from first year after reviewing, okay, for 6 years ago sa college, when I was in college, okay, ganito talaga yung aking madalas na iniipit. So meron talaga akong binibili sa naipit na yung bilog na black, which is dun ko pinapasok yung buhok ko, and then super bilog na bilog. Hindi ganito na lang. Yung ginamit ko is lang. So, ayun guys. So, this hairstyle is an old-fashioned hairstyle, but always used by some celebrities, even Hollywoods, lalo pa pag tumanggap ng awards. So, alas nakikita ko mga big personalities and industry. Okay, and film industry, yung mga artista, mga showbiz industry rather. So, ganito talaga yung fashion ng kanilang buhok na ginagawa. Kahit kahit mga international models. Okay. So, kahit na siya old fashion, pero pag inano mo siya, okay, pag inano mo siya, wineering mo siya, so parang still like comfortable ka sa ginagawa mo, you're confident kasi parang hindi masyadong sagaban yung buhok mo. Okay? So, kaya pala is lagi itong ginagamit is just an elegance and classic na ginagamit talaga. Kahit saan, kasi ang occasion, mapakasal man yan, divo, fashion, fashion show, modeling, okay, sa runway, o ganun. Almost lahat ng mga models, ang buhok nila is nakapusot and receiving awards, even an Oscars award in Hollywood. So, some of the artists wearing this kind of hairstyle. So, ayan, yan lang. Binahagi ko lang guys because it is one of my passions since I was young and up to college, up to right now. So, pag madali ang hairstyles, no need to itubert na ganito na lang talaga agad. So yan, let's have our lunch. So our simple lunch for today is all about Paris beef with letong lechon and may tayong mongo and fish na gracious Muller guys. Paris, may Paris with lechon and beef. Ayan. Thank you more for the gracious Mother, please, sa amin. Ayan. Ang dami nilagay ni Kuya. Tapos lechon.
Kay Mama Big.
Big lang po sa. Pero kaya pwede po pahingin ng 2 piraso. Bawasan mo lang po. 2 pirasong lechon. Then, bawasan mo lang konti ng beef. Thank you so much. Nag-crave lang ako. Craving.
Pag-usapan tayo nun mamaya.
I still 13. So, Mr. 55. Walker. So we had a hard diet. So from 55 last month of December, so glad we're almost going back at 49. So 2 kilos left kasi 51 na tayo ngayon. So 4 kilos ang nabawas sa atin. So we're back. Ayan. So only kapag ko talaga to since college. Ito yung dinner. So 5 p.m. na natulog tayo after work. After office. So, ayan. Let's take it. Ito yung natin, dinner for tonight. Okay, Korean spicy. Ayan, better spell. So, ito yung dinner natin. So, we go back to our hard diet tonight. Kasi, you know, okay, I'm gained weight for 5 kilos from 2023 na pumasok ako dito sa aking malakang Pinilas April 2023 April 12, 2023 rather. So, ang timbang ko, my weight is around 49 to 50 kilos. So, today, at the present times, so for almost, okay, for almost 2 years, okay, we gained 5 kilos already. So, I'm 55. Still 55 kilos. So, not bad at 5 kilos. Okay, we can, madali lang ako magpataba at madali lang din ako magpapayat. Pag once na gusto ko talaga pumayat na, ayan, I had a strategy for that. More on, fruits and vegetables na ako. Hindi na ako kakain ng carbohydrates. Kanin. No more carbohydrates. So, ayan, so tonight, we lessen our carbohydrates. Wala tayo ng dinner na kanin. Back to so either noodles, cup noodles, or fiber, more on fiber. So, para mawala yung kunting anghang. Super anghang talaga. Pero pag kumain tayo ng mga maanghang, kailangan meron tayong agad naka-ready na milk pang pawala ng anghang. So after natin mag-dinner, we will have our playing online tournament chess, and then maybe on a couple of hours. And then the rest of the hours, we'll have our passion and reading and writing. So we should pursue whatever our passion and things to do so in our life. Okay, we just respect our passions and our self for our enhancement rather to our future selves looks like. So what will be attracted with something, then I'll be happy at the perfect time. So as long as we moving forward, no matter how slowly we are, as long as we do it even lots of time, or even a single grudges or pieces to achieve our goals. So we should be cut it into pieces, our adjectives, and then eventually we reach out our goals. Yes, we will do it constantly. Okay, the permanent constant things on this world is change. So that's the reality. Everything's are reversible. Even our life is reversible. Nung college ako, meron akong talaga. Every week, once in the whole week, more on fruits. Then next week, more on veggies and meat. So, lalo pa pag naramdaman ko na yung batok ko is medyo masakit kasi kakakain ng mga meat, pork. So, natataranta na ako niyan. Pupunta agad ako niyan sa wheat market para mamili ng mga prutas at gulay. Kakain agad ako ng carrots, fresh carrots. Hindi na ako ka-paranoid. So, ngayon talaga paranoid na naman ako. Kasi talaga hindi na ako bumababa sa 55 pag nagtimbang ako. Always 55 kilos. So, kailangan kong bumalik sa 50. Although kasi, kinocompute yan yung edad at saka yung natin, match to our weight. Kailangan is normal lang. Pag yung edad mo is bata ka, hindi mataba ka, so you're obese. Ay, pag sumubra ka doon sa timbang na dapat is, yun lang dapat yung timbang ng isang individual na ayon sa edad niya. Kasi pag kulang lang sa timbang, para ka na matutumba nun. Pag you feel na kulang ka na, parang you see that pag naglalakad kayo, para ka na matumba, meaning kulang kayo sa mga vitamins and nutrients, and hindi angkop yung iyong timbang sa iyong edad. So, kaya mo kumain ng madami. Vice versa, pag mataba ka and labis na yung katabaan, hindi na ayon din sa iyong edad. Symptoms as well. May mga mataba na, may mga tao na super taba, obese, hindi lang payat ang tinatawag na malnourished. Sila din tinatawag na malnourished kasi obesity is very popular on America. Kasi mahilig sila pizza, more carbohydrates sila. Hindi sa kumakain ng kanin, pero marami napakatakam naman niya sa pizza and pastas. Ayan. Hi guys, have a peaceful night everyone and sweet dreams. Love lots.